Hi, my name is Cole from FCP Euro, and today we're going to be replacing the front and rear wiper blades on our 2022 Mk8 Golf R. In front of me, I have everything that we're going to need to replace the wiper blades. We have our front wiper blade set that has two different sizes, and then we have the tiny little wiper blade for the rear that's often commonly overlooked. And one other thing that I really like to do when replacing the wiper blades is cleaning the glass. So I have some really good glass cleaner, and I have some of my favorite towels that we're going to use to clean the glass. Now, the rear wiper blade is often commonly overlooked, and it's something that's very important because when you're backing up, you want to see in the best conditions possible. So if you're not sure when to change your wiper blades, there's a couple telltale signs that indicate it may be time. If the wipers are streaking and it's coming off very hazy, if it's making some noise, so if you hear some extra squeaks or clunks that don't sound normal, or if you just can't see out of the windshield, it's time to replace your wiper blades. So as far as tools go, it's pretty simple. All you need is your hands. So let's go change some wiper blades. First things first, before we start cleaning the glass and replacing the wiper blades, we have to make sure the wiper arms are in service position. We put these in service position because it will keep the wiper arms upright so we do not damage the paint on the hood. So to do that, we're going to turn the ignition on, then off, and then touch this downwards once. And look at that. Now you'll see that the wiper arms are going to be staying in that upright position until we take it out of service mode. So let's hop out of the car and clean the front glass. Next on the list is to clean the glass. As you can see, we have some dirt, grime, and dust that we do not want when we're replacing our windshield wiper blades. So I'm going to take some glass cleaner here. I'm going to get underneath of here and just get a nice layer of where all the dust is. Once that's done, I'm going to take my blue shop towels. As you can see, this glass cleaner likes to foam a little bit. It's using all of that soapy, bubbly action to get the glass as clean as possible. So we'll just continue to wipe. I'm going to wipe in those dirty areas. Again, this isn't something that you may need to do if your car is clean, but we don't know the condition of this glass. So I like making things just a little bit cleaner. Now that our glass is clean, we can start replacing the wiper blades. As you can see, there's two different sizes for this car. The shorter side is going to go on the passenger side, and then the longer blade is going to go on the driver's side. I'm going to start working on the driver's side wiper blade first. So what I like to do is pop this up, this little button in front of me. We're going to press that in, and it's going to pop up slightly and then come out. One thing that I never will do is leave this arm up while I grab the other wiper blade. So I'm going to take a piece of shop towel and I'm going to slowly let it down. Now that I have the old wiper blade off, I'm going to take my new wiper blade here, hold my wiper arm up. I like pressing this button in a little bit. It helps aid installing it. And then I'm going to wait for that audible click. I'm also going to take a look and see if that square is fully out, pushed outwards on this arm. Now I can remove my towel and gently lower the wiper blade back down. Now I'm going to do the passenger side. Very similar to the driver's side. Press this button, slide it up, remove it. I'm going to put my piece of paper towel underneath of it, grab my other blade, pull it back up, make sure I'm holding the blade. I like pressing this button down a little bit, makes it a little easier. Slide it back in, make sure I hear that click and it's not going anywhere. All right, so we just replaced our wiper blades. Now I'm going to show you how to take it out of service mode. Another note, you can just drive away and it'll take it out automatically. However, I'm going to show you how to do it inside the car. First step to take it out of service mode is turn the ignition on, and then I like pulling the window wash function to make sure that our wiper blades are wiping correctly, they're not going to fall off, and it will take it out of service mode at the same time. So once the blades are down, turn that ignition back off, and now we can start changing the rear wiper blade. Moving on to the back glass, I'm going to do the same and clean it real quick before we replace this wiper blade. Let that foam up a little bit, do its magic. Glass is clean, so I'm going to take the button, depress it. Sometimes they can wiggle a little bit. Old wiper blades off. because I have a new one right here. Tiny little wiper blade. And very similar to the front. Press that button down. All right, I heard that click. I'm gonna place this wiper arm down because we successfully replaced the wiper blades front and rear in our Mk8 Golf R. Now, if you have any questions on anything we did in this video, please drop it down in the comments below. If you have a Mk8 Golf R or are looking to buy one and want to see a lot more content, guess what? We have a full line of DIY videos coming out for the Mk8 Golf R that you should subscribe to see what's gonna happen. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed what you saw, and we'll see you next time.